Did you know that in the middle of a fierce conflict, the US has become Ukraine's secret weapon? That's right. The gear being manufactured right here in America is not just making a difference, it's changing the game on the battlefield. Let's dive into how this all works. So, let's set the scene. The conflict in Ukraine has been going on for quite some time now, and it's a tough situation. The stakes are high, and military gear is more important than ever for their defense. But here's where it gets interesting. While the world watches, there's a hidden story unfolding about the role that US manufacturers play in this fight. From tactical gear to advanced weaponry, American companies are stepping up to supply Ukraine with what they need to defend their homeland. This relationship is not just about politics. It's about the vital support that comes from the manufacturing power of the US and how it impacts the situation on the ground. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of what's actually being made. First up, we have body armor. US manufacturers are producing some of the most advanced ballistic vests, which are designed to withstand high-caliber rounds. These vests provide soldiers with a much-needed advantage in terms of protection. Then, we have night vision goggles. These babies allow soldiers to operate effectively in low-light conditions, giving them the edge they need to spot threats before they see them. But it's not just about individual gear. The collaboration between US manufacturers and the Ukrainian military is a perfect example of how two nations can come together for a common cause. Think logistics, training, and technology transfer. Companies like Lockheed Martin and Raytheon are not just selling products. They're investing in the future of Ukraine's defense capabilities. High-tech drones, precision-guided munitions, and even medical supplies are flowing into Ukraine, all manufactured in the US. This collaboration is critical for Ukraine's fight, ensuring they have access to the latest innovations in military technology. A massive shipment of American-made gear arrives at a Ukrainian military base. The air is charged with anticipation as soldiers rush to unpack what could very well be the turning point in their fight. Among the gear is state-of-the-art artillery and drones that have been specifically designed to enhance their operational capabilities. The moment those drones take flight, you can feel the shift in morale.
Right now, our resource within the United States.
Soldiers are equipped with the best gear that America has to offer, and they're ready to take the battle to the next level. Reports start coming in about how this new gear is allowing them to outmaneuver enemy forces, changing the dynamics of the conflict. It's a critical moment where the combination of US technology and Ukrainian resolve is showcasing the power of this partnership.
The Rolls-Royce treatment, it really puts that final finishing touch, that craftsmanship to that barrel.
After the deployment of this gear, the feedback from the ground is pouring in. Soldiers are sharing their experiences, and the testimonials are powerful. Many report feeling safer and more confident than ever before, thanks to the high-quality gear they've received. Military analysts are weighing in too, noting how these innovations have significantly increased Ukraine's tactical effectiveness. They point out that the combination of American technology and Ukrainian strategy has become a formidable force. This is not just gear. It's a lifeline that's enabling them to push back against the odds. So what does this all mean moving forward? The narrative of US support through manufacturing isn't just a temporary fix, it's setting the stage for the future. This partnership reinforces the bond between the US and Ukraine, highlighting how manufacturing can play a pivotal role in global conflicts. As we look ahead, it's clear that this collaboration will continue to evolve, shaping not only the current conflict, but also influencing how nations respond to crises in the future. The implications are profound, and it's a reminder that in times of need, innovation and partnership can lead to powerful outcomes.